Doing push-ups isn't going to fix your pectus. For someone who fixed his pectus and made it look hardly noticeable just through training, you can take it from me. I've also helped hundreds of other people do the same thing. Push-ups certainly was something that I included in my training regimen and in all of my clients. It's actually one of my most commonly programmed exercises, but push-ups themselves is not going to do it. And the amount of people I see message me saying like, I've been doing 100 push-ups a day and I haven't fixed my pectus, and like, if anything, that's probably going to make things worse. There's a lot more to this than just push-ups, okay? Stimulating the chest to grow chest muscles and grow pecs around the pectus is one of the key things for exercising to improve your pectus. But if you're just doing push-ups, it's not necessarily going to correlate with building the chest as much as you want. And on top of that, push-ups alone, what's going to end up happening is it's going to make your pecs even tighter because you're not doing any back training if you're just doing 100 push-ups a day. And then that's going to make your posture worse and make your pectus look worse. And then on top of that, nutrition is actually what builds the muscle. And so doing push-ups without a nutrition plan, like, it's not going to do anything. You need to be eating enough calories and protein to build muscle. You also need to be doing more exercises than just push-up. Your body will adapt to the stimulus of just push-ups, and then it just won't really be optimal for progression. And you want to be adding variety. You want to also be doing like adduction-based chest movements like a fly. They're so amazing for building your pecs and really getting that full sculpted pecs around the pectus. So push-ups themselves are great, but they need to be used in conjunction with other things, and by themselves, it's definitely not enough. Okay, so if you're doing 100 push-ups a day, if anything, you might be making your pectus worse. So please stop doing that. Start following a more balanced program, weights, variety of exercises, making sure you're training back, making sure you're also stretching, and then also having a nutrition plan. If you really do want to improve your pectus with training, like, you need to be doing all of those things. Do 100 push-ups. Balance it with pull-ups though, balance it with stretching, and then on other days do bench, do flies. So anyway guys, I hope this was helpful. If you really do want to overcome your pectus, I'd highly recommend just reaching out to me. I coach people, I've helped hundreds of people. It works, my training works, just look at my client results. So you can go to my website, fixpectus.com. You can book a call with me to personally meet me because I'll be your coach and I'll guide you through the process and get you this transformation. Thanks guys.